everyone, and welcome to today's wellness chat. I'm going to be discussing with you some of the top 5 tips I have regarding how you can start defying aging today. One of the first things that you can do is you can begin to focus on a more holistic nutrition. So what that entails, or what that is going to look like, is of course going to vary for everyone, since we're all different and we have various tastes and preferences regarding the foods that we eat and consume, but they're going to have some key things in common. Some of these things that are utilized or that you focus on with holistic nutrition will be making sure that you're consuming foods that are whole and minimally processed. Also making sure that you are consuming a variety of foods that have anti-inflammatory properties, and spices as well that have anti-inflammatory properties, such as your turmeric, such as your curcumin, as well as your ginger. These are spices that you can mix or you can use with cooking various dishes that are going to help to decrease the inflammation that is in the body. Making sure you're consuming fruits and vegetables that have antioxidants in them. One of my favorite ways to make sure I'm getting antioxidants is to just purchase a variety of different berries, whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Berries are known to have a high antioxidant content, so they're very good to consume. Also, another great way to include antioxidants within what you're eating is drinking green tea. Green tea is known for being a very high and a very rich source of antioxidants. So making sure you're kind of including those various foods with what you're eating. Okay, so the second one, this is the most important, especially for us women, is making sure you are practicing good daily skincare regimen. So it doesn't have to be extravagant, it doesn't have to be expensive, it doesn't have to be crazy. You don't have to use 55 million different face creams. It could just really be simple and basic. Making sure that you are cleansing your face every morning and every night, especially if you're wearing makeup. Do not go to bed with a face full of makeup, because you're basically suffocating your skin and you're not allowing the skin to repair properly the way that it's supposed to at night. That's going to cause more clogged pores, it's going to lead to more blemishes, and then you're going to have a whole other slew of problems that you don't want to deal with, trust me. So making sure that you're cleansing your skin every morning and every night is crucial. Also, being mindful and conscious of the products that you're using, making sure that you're choosing non-toxic products. Again, it doesn't have to be organic or all natural, but just being mindful of the types of ingredients that you're using on your skin and the effect that it can have and it plays in your overall health, and phasing out those products, whether it's your skincare products or your makeup products that are kind of iffy when it comes to those ingredients, and instead phasing in the products that are more healthy and that are geared towards making you look your best on the outside while also helping to nourish and nurture your skin is a great way to decrease and defy aging, in my opinion. Making sure that you're applying an SPF every morning that is broad spectrum and it's at least an SPF 30. No, it does not count if there's SPF 15 or 20 in your BB creams, your CC creams, or your foundations. You need to make sure that you have a moisturizer or a standalone SPF product that you are putting on your face, because chances are, if you're relying on your BB cream or your foundation to take care of your sunscreen needs, chances are you're not using enough of that product to adequately protect your skin. Remember that when you're applying SPF to anywhere or any part of the body that is exposed, you need a shot glass full of sunscreen. So making sure you're applying that SPF daily, not just your face, but any part of the body that is exposed during the day is crucial. The third thing is going to be to make sure that you exercise regularly. We all know this. We all know that moving and having proper exercise is important for our overall health. We just don't want to do it, and we don't like to do it because it's not fun. But finding a way or finding some type of exercise that is helping to get you moving and getting blood circulating through your body is good for your anti-aging regimen. Making sure you're including a combination of cardiovascular exercise as well as resistance training exercise. The cardiovascular exercise is going to help to again improve your overall cardiovascular system, while the resistance training programs is going to help to preserve and build that lean mass, which is very important as we women become older and we start to age, especially if osteoporosis is something that is prevalent in your health history. You want to make sure you're doing those weight-bearing exercises because that's going to help to decrease your chances of developing osteoporosis in the later years of your life. So the fourth thing is you want to make sure that you are properly managing and reducing stress in your life. So doing simple things such as just making sure that you're shutting down at the end of the day and having a set evening routine to transition you and to prepare you to get ready for bed, making sure that maybe you wake up a little bit earlier and you have a morning routine that kind of helps you to prepare and to kind of de-stress before you start your day. Taking regular vacations, having a spa day, getting a massage, taking a yoga class, whatever it is that you need to do to relax and manage the stress and stressors in your life, it is very important. Making sure that you have a good work-life balance is also important. All those things that can lead us to becoming stressed out and just not living our best lives, which then in turn makes us make poor decisions regarding our health and wellness. We don't want to do that. So if you want to age gracefully and you want to defy the aging process, make sure that you're managing and reducing stress in your life. And my fifth and final recommendation is engage your brain. So don't stop learning. Take a course, learn chess, pick up gardening, learn something new and learn something different, and basically just challenge your brain. Increasing that cognitive function is a great way to ensure that to protect your brain from declining memory. It's also a great way for you to learn something new and to challenge yourself in a different way than maybe you normally would have. Learning something and keeping on top of your knowledge skills is a great way to stay social, a great way to stay active. Okay, so those are all of my tips for how you can defy aging and live your best life all the way up into the latter years of your life. I hope that you found something helpful. Maybe you learned something new that you're going to implement as part of your anti-aging routine. Go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what anti-aging thing that you like to do, or what's your way of defying aging. I would love to know. Make sure that you like and you subscribe. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.